Hi, my name's Larry, and this is my wife Karen. And here approximately 3 years ago, we were interested in solar power. Had Helio come in and give us a presentation on their solar power. Sit down and talk to them about the installation process. Installers were really nice to us. And anytime I was retired and was here at all the time that they were doing any installs. We had great experience with all the installers and everything. So if I had a question, I'd ask them and they'd be right up front with me and told me what was going on.
Yeah, we really like the solar panels. We haven't even had to pay an electric bill probably since April or May, usually through the summertime with the air conditioner running. We still don't have to pay a bill. We just have actually a credit, usually. The tax credit was really easy. Our tax advisor, he was well versed on how everything went with that, and there was no problem whatsoever. We in fact got money back from our taxes because of the solar, and we even got some money because our neighbor decided to go with the solar too.
So we've had the solar panels. We haven't had a problem once. We haven't even had to call Helio at all for any service of any kind on this. Our savings has been, like I said, astronomical. It's been a good investment.
Great. You guys are glad you went solar?
Yes, definitely.
Great.
Yeah, the 3 years that we've had the solar panels, we haven't had a problem once.
We usually don't even have an electric bill in the summertime. Most times we have a credit. It saved us a lot of money.